I sat next to a guy at a coffee shop last week. Torn sneakers, faded hoodie, driving a 2014 Camry with a dent on the bumper. He left his laptop open for 2 seconds. His brokerage account? $4.2 million. And that's when it clicked. The truly wealthy are invisible. They're ghosts walking among us. And unless you know what to look for, you'll never spot them. Here's what actually gives them away. They never talk about 3 things. Ever. What they earn, what they just bought, and anything that screams, I have more than you. Think about it. When someone won't shut up about their new watch or that vacation they just booked, what are they really doing? They're trying to squeeze every ounce of validation out of that purchase. They stretch their budget to afford it, so now they need the social ROI. The wealthy? They already know they have the money. Proving it to you would be embarrassing, like a surgeon bragging about washing their hands. But here's where it gets interesting. Watch their car, not the guy in the leased BMW. Forget him. Look for the person driving something boring. Something 7 years old. Something completely paid off. Because depreciation is silent robbery. That $800 car payment every month, over 10 years with compound interest, that's easily $150,000 you just lit on fire for a hunk of metal that lost half its value the second you drove it off the lot. Rich people don't drive nice cars because they can't afford them. They don't drive them because they actually understand what things cost. Now here's the twist nobody expects. Wealthy people will spend 45 minutes researching a $20 power bank, reading reviews, comparing options, watching YouTube videos about battery capacity. Then they'll drop $40,000 on a kitchen renovation without blinking. Why? The power bank is a want. There are 15 options that do the same thing. They're hunting for the best value because wasting money offends them on a molecular level. The kitchen, that's a need. It's happening regardless, so they act fast. This is the habit that made them wealthy in the first place. Obsess over small recurring waste. Move decisively on the big necessary stuff. But the real tell is patience. Regular people buy things the moment they want them. Prime delivery, instant gratification, done. Wealthy people wait weeks, months, until the sale arrives, until the price drops, or until they realize they never actually needed it. Because real wealth isn't about having nice things. It's about delayed gratification stretched across decades. The person who can say, I'll wait, when everyone else is clicking buy now, is playing an entirely different game. And their houses prove it. While everyone else is stretching to afford the biggest mortgage the bank will approve, secretly wealthy people live somewhere almost too modest for their income. They own it outright. Or they're paying it off fast. Because once you buy the big house, you're trapped. Now you need cleaners, landscapers, a bigger car to match, furniture that doesn't look embarrassing next to your neighbors. The wealthy understood something early. Appearance is a prison. And they refuse to walk into that cell. So next time you're wondering who around you is actually rich, stop looking at watches. Stop looking at cars. Start looking at silence. The person who changes the subject when money comes up, the one who says, I get by, when you ask how they're doing, the one who seems completely unbothered by what other people think, that's who you should be studying. Because wealth isn't loud. Wealth whispers. And if you're not listening carefully, you'll miss it completely.